Imagine how it would feel like to be the center of your technology. Now, stop imagining.
Hello, my name is Timmy.
Hey, Timmy.
Hello, John.
Hey, Timmy. Answer the call.
Hey, Timmy, play some music.
Hey, Timmy, make a video. Hey, Timmy, order pizza.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, save some for me.
Teamy, the personal robot. You at the center.
And welcome to Life Pack, the carry-on closet. The suitcase is manufactured with an aluminum frame and a hard case PC shell. You can stand on it, you can sit on it, you can roll on it, whatever you want. The wheels roll smoothly over every surface. The trolley handle's solid when you hold onto it, and it's got this soft, plush grip on the underside. So the coolest thing about this suitcase is when you open it up, you pull up the shelving system and you can see everything you need when you're on the go. And it's super frustrating trying to find what you need when it's in your suitcase. This way it saves you the time of digging, and it's just easy to see where everything sits. And most excitingly, it's available right now. You can order it from our website at soulboard.co.
Be at home from anywhere. Introducing Genie, the new user-friendly way to turn your home into a smarter home in just 2 easy steps. First, place Genie on any compatible home appliance around the house. Then, download the Genie app to your smartphone and start controlling your home using your smartphone from anywhere in the world. Genie, the smarter smart home solution.
climate change will likely cost tens of thousands of lives if changes are not made. The study published in Nature Climate Change estimates 60,000 people could die of air pollution.
I've been using Breeze for around 6 months.
It is so convenient. I can't imagine living without it now. The greatest feature of Breeze is the fan on the side. With the filters, it can effectively filter PM 2.5 and users still feel nice and easy.
Other than going to work, I'm used to wearing Breeze wherever I go.
With Breeze, not only the whole mask fits my face perfectly, but also I can adjust the tightness to make it as comfortable as I want.
We are always trying to fight with all virus in this urban jungle. However, facial expression is a universal language. It's a pity to cover it.
Hello! We're so happy you're interested in AirBar. Let's get going. The AirBar sensor is extremely easy to set up. We're going to show you the steps. AirBar comes in different sizes. If you don't already know the size of your display, just measure it diagonally and then choose the size that best suits your computer. Now your AirBar sensor has arrived and we're going to show you how to attach it. The first time you attach AirBar, it's important that you do it correctly. Center it 3 millimeters below the bottom edge of the display. Use the width of the USB cord as a reference, and use the white alignment markers to center AirBar. Start by removing the 2 tags on the back. After that, gently attach AirBar to the bottom bezel, then press gently above the magnet points. Remove AirBar and press on the magnets a bit harder to fixate them. That's it! Now you can attach and detach AirBar again and again without hassle, and it will be perfectly aligned and centered every time, thanks to the magnets that remain below your screen. And don't worry, you will still be able to close your notebook without any problems. Now that AirBar is set up, start your computer running Windows 10. Attach AirBar, and plug the USB connector into the notebook. You now have touch. AirBar senses input just above the display. Pinch, roll, sweep, and have fun.